Good morning, dear student. This is the first video lecture for class 9, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about chapter number 2, that is input output device. As in the first chapter, Ratnesh sir have discussed about some certain topics about what is computer and how computer categorization has been take place. In this video lecture I am going to tell you about input output device. What we are going to cover in this video is introduction of input device, central processing unit, that is ALU, CU, arithmetic logical unit and control unit, output device, exploring of memory. In that we will cover primary memory and secondary memory. One more memory is there, that is cache memory. We will discuss about it. And the last point which we are going to discuss is portable memory devices, that is pen drive, MMC, etc. So starting with this introduction, because in this video I am going to only discuss about the introduction. First of all, just look this flow diagram. In this flow diagram it is clearly mentioned that input device, then data is being transmitted to processing device, and again then output device. Means what we can say, input device, data inserted from outer surrounding to computer. Input device is a process in which we used to give a data to computer system. Means this is your computer. If you want to give any of the data inside the computer for processing, what we need an input device such that we can say keyboard or we can say mouse. These are some input device which a user use to insert the data inside the computer. Then whatever the data has been allotted by the user being processed with the help of central processing unit, that is ALU and CU. Whatever the data, if the user is giving a data that 1 plus 1, it will be processed and the output will be generated and it will be given 2. So input device, data inserted from outer surrounding to computer, CPU used to process it, the second step, and the third step is output device. Whatever the processing done by the computer will be processed out and will be given in the format of input device. Now again, in the different word we are going to understand, input device is a way in which the hard copy or the data which we can see is inserted to computer system, inserted, being processed. If you are going to give the garbage value, then garbage is being processed here, garbage processed, and after that you are going to get the output, whatever the data you have inserted in the computer system. Means if you have inserted a programming, a set of instructions, so that instructions will be processed and the command will be taken place. Let's suppose I'm going to give you an example, a basic example, in which your mother asked you to bring some vegetables from the market. So you got a command that with certain amount of money you got a list, so that you can go to market and buy a certain amount of vegetables. When you went to the market, you processed all the work which have been allotted to you by your mother. Means you have processed buying vegetables or doing the shopping and all, and in return what you did, you just handed over all the things whatever you have processed to your mother and returned the money. This is how computer also used to work. If you are going to insert a wrong command, it is going to process a wrong command, and the output whichever is going to given out by the computer system will be wrong in nature. What we are going to study in the next video lecture will be detailed about input device such as keyboard, mouse, joystick, camera, scanners. Central processing unit, we are going to discuss only about ALU and CU. Output device, we will discuss about plotters, printers, monitors and projectors and many more. Exploring about memories, so we are going to discuss about primary memory, secondary memory. In primary memory we are going to discuss about RAM, and secondary memory we are going to discuss about ROM and hard disk. Side by side we will also discuss about cache memory, that how cache memory helps primary memory to properly work with computer system. In this same we will discuss about BIOS, basic input output system, and then last portable memory devices, the devices which we are using in the format of pen drive, memory card or multimedia card. That's all for today, and we are going to meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.